Yeah, man.
So Miss P, pick up yourself.
Pick up yourself, Miss P.
From you, every time.
Every time, Miss P. No love, only for respect for the meal, for the free.
Sam, how are you feeling now? Feeling much better? Little bit better.
May God lift up the light of His countenance upon you all, give you peace.
Thank you, Harlem. I really appreciate it.
By any name in there, don't need no number. Whoa. Turn to on the front.
Flavor, you know?
Wow, chef. Flavor it, it's not favorite.
Flavor.
And you would always be my friend.
Here goes Ali.
Big up all of the donor them, you know.
Thank you. I appreciate it also. And you're going to always be my friend too.
Okay.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Whoa, you know?
Oh, yeah, man, you see me I say?
Chicken foot season of steppers.
Yeah, man, get the steppers
on the back there.
Yeah, man.
Well, the season up.
So,
we have the banana then here and thing.
Yeah, so.
And we have Wormie over here.
The kitchen.
Making the flowers, making it work. Same way. You see what I say? Yeah, so we give thanks. You see that meal out today. Being sponsored by Miss P from the UK.
Miss P from the UK?
Yeah, she same one with the ground fruit, the planting them. And the flour. Yeah, Miss P.
Miss P from the UK, all heap of love, enough respect, you know. Then in the kitchen I seize up some steppers, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause boy, me I tell them thing I put enough gum in my back, you know.
A whole heap of gum.
Yeah.
Firm and
go
strong.
for hand them to my wrist, you know. Them place knee wrist, you know. Yeah, man, the grizzle them, you see me I say?
Yeah, the grizzle them.
Yeah, man.
So we give thanks to Miss P from the UK providing the
meals.
Give thanks, everything we offer.
Yeah.
Everything we can give, we give thanks with same.
Yes, Miss P, man.
So we give thanks. So today we have steppers.
Yeah.
And you know we have chicken now, steppers and fish. And also we say we have chicken back.
Yeah, man, cause they don't even know about the steppers. So them party, them party them fall a walk, you know. So them party, gummy!
You see the gummy part there.
Yeah, that party make you them eat and so.
Yeah.
If they don't eat them party. Full of gummy, you know, yeah, man. And the two of them, man. So,
yeah, man. So
everyone them step on and start eat again, yeah?
Yeah. So big up yourself, Miss P, all for love, all for blessings for the meal today, for the team, and we give thanks. So we're definitely eating steppers today. Yeah. With a slice fish on the side, and then also see chicken back.
Yeah.
With pure ground provide here.
Straight, you know?
See there, this is what I have the ground provide here today.
Right, away, man, you know? Yeah, man, so.
Miss P, much
a
love.
proper seasoning, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
So
soap nice, you know?
Alright, so that's Miss P. So and another thing as well too. Oh, Wormie I need a dumpling.
Yeah.
So Wormie can't receive him this gift yet because I forgot what meat and the whole chef. I forgot what my feeling one too.
Straight, man, like.
So yeah, I forgot wait till I take on the hand out of the seasoning.
Yeah.
Whole chef and nice seasoning and Wormie and the flour. So one of deal with the steppers and one of deal with the flour.
Original Jamaican curry, you know. You see me? Yeah. And one of the best curry them in the world.
Whole wide world.
Yeah, Indian curry. Next curry them to get them bad too, you know, but you have to know if you use them.
Yeah.
Them best in the world. Jamaican Indian curry. Yeah man, cook anything, crab, lobster, fish,
Anything.
national dish, chicken.
You name it, you see there?
Just name out anything you want. You see me I say? Anything for the curry, you know? Yeah man.
At the better pack.
Yeah man.
Them say the curry is the better pack of curry if you want the better taste of the chicken
Last
and the
time
chicken back you get
last
the
time a
better
crocodile tail, half a crocodile tail, 3 pack of them we use man it.
pack. Crocodile tail you
Yeah,
cook
man.
chef.
Yeah man, a long time ago man. Cheat them now. Body up.
Yeah.
What I tell you? Yo. Yeah man.
So Miss P, pick up yourself.
Pick up myself, Miss P.
From you,
Yeah.
every time.
Every time Miss P. No love, only for respect for the meal, for the team.
And the plant them
And the
the other
plant
day,
them,
and the
you see.
flour and the sugar. See the sugar yeah.
Oh, she had the sugar there.
See the sugar there as well to see them here. But that the flour done already, our dumpling make out already. Here, and the chicken already cook out.
About plan and fry.
We have the chicken cook out
Yeah,
as
man.
well to that, the book out.
Miss P, enough love and respect, yeah.
Yeah,
Funny
man,
for
yeah,
love.
we give thanks. So when we encounter this seasoning bowl, and come out of the flour wormy, then we just do this presentation we have here for the two chef them again once more. So, one.
I give one for burn.
Paint up, you're asleep, man. Ready now. So the man them and them clean, hands clean, ready for this. Okay, this is well white. You see me? It's white, so I hope we can care. White,
Clean, so
clean. So we have to give thanks. So we have another presentation for the two chef them. Whoa, put yourself right in line, wow.
Yeah, man.
Can't hear from the other when you get in there right now. You see me? So we have something here from Harlem,
Yeah.
from the USA. I will know Harlem already. Big up yourself, Harlem. They have full package here for the chefs them. Wow chef and Wormie chef. You know, the double chef and the wow chef.
Oh.
So they have two aprons here. They have the names them on it as well, you know. See it there? That one here say, oh, animal chicken. It say line 2, wow chef, New York City.
Yes.
Line 3, Dream Team 1 team. That's what it says. So this one is for the wow chef.
Yes, man.
So this one official.
Yes, man.
See that people, it's official. Wow chef from Harlem, from the USA. And we have Wormie as well too, from Harlem, from the USA.
Yeah, man, all them. Take a look at that. You know?
Take a look,
Yeah, man.
take a good look.
And you have the Jenna in a car.
Two chef them there in the cookbook. Take a good look. Whoa,
Gotcha.
white.
soaking a bleach in it.
Whoa,
Yeah, man.
well,
Wow.
well.
Look on it.
So
Whoa.
whoa,
Gotcha.
Yeah,
whoa, whoa. This is what I'm going. Whoa,
5 star or 4 star.
4 star
4 star.
again. Whoa, so you're not far away from 5. So it's a
Yeah,
Kino
man.
life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's a #1.
Yeah,
Wow, chef.
chef.
New York City.
And 5
Dream
4 star.
team, one team. At your fall in the right lesson.
One team.
Chicken
getting
Whoa,
Yeah.
this is what I'm going about Wormie.
Feed the Wormie side.
Wormie. So I go on to see him see the Wormie cooking chicken. See the Wormie in
Kino
the
life in
kitchen
Jamaica.
cooking chicken.
Make it work.
Make it work. See the Kino life in Jamaica.
official.
Wormie cooking chicken in the kitchen. Make it
Yes,
work.
official.
Show it out over there so it fix. Yeah. You see what I go on official. Official. Wormie, fix the string. You have to catch a tie. Please, man, come. This is what I go on for the chef them. Yes. For the chef them. Yes. This is what I go on. Whoa. On the belly. See the Kino life.
Yeah, man. Whoa. Yeah, man, you see it?
What color that?
White.
Alright, so wait for you.
White.
Always white, you know?
Always white.
Just put that bleach on soap.
Yeah.
Jaja.
Jaja, see there? Well suited and well fitted.
Look at the white belt me have on, you know.
Remy one suit now. Remy fix up the neck. See there now? Remy cooking chicken.
Make it work.
Kitchen make it work.
Go on, gym team. Harlem, give thanks. Give thanks everything. Don't know, I love the custom made. See,
Yeah, man, I like it too, man, you know.
Love it, man.
Official.
Yeah, man.
Custom.
You see? Feel the right way, you know.
Yeah.
Man. Love what look, man. You see?
Well custom.
You see?
Well custom look like it just touched down. Well, it not just touched down. It just touched down.
Official.
Official.
It never look like it. Yeah man, official man. Just touched down from Harlem, from New York City
Twice.
as well too. Not once but twice. So we give thanks to chef them look official.
Clean, man. We just have one apron and no see. Ready for you.
Yeah.
See?
Wanna cook chicken and wanna cook chicken back.
You know.
Yeah, man, national dish. And remedy the chicken, me the national dish. You know?
Every time. See national
Yes, we
white.
have on the chicken when fried.
Yeah, man,
Right
told them
in
have
the
done.
kitchen,
So
cooking
told them,
chicken, make it
Them
work.
Harlem say, whoa chef, whoa, before yeah. We have one more package as well. Whoa. This is also from Harlem. This is well custom made. Blue. So you know once that's blue, that's have to be you.
Yeah, man.
Custom what? Chelsea.
Jaja.
It never blew him and what?
Jaja.
Whoa chef. Whoa.
Yo.
What? So we're back. Whoa.
Yeah, man, so we can remember for the big number 10 tonight.
Whoa chef right at the back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Whoa.
man.
Yeah,
But your name in there don't need no number.
Yeah, man. See the genius.
There. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Turn on the front.
Flavor it, you know?
Whoa chef. Flavor it, him saying
Yeah,
that
man.
favorite.
Flavor it.
Flavor it.
For the Italy blue Chelsea, you know. So,
there.
yeah, man.
See there.
Jaja.
Blue.
Oh. Yeah, love it like cook food
Yeah.
already, you know.
Harlem. Big up yourself, Harlem.
Holy for love, enough respect, you know.
Give thanks for you.
Yeah, man, cause I don't even know what
Lord,
you don't even know what you do for me right now. You see that say? I'm happy right now cause the blue there, you know.
Happy feet.
Yeah, man, next season, you know.
Easy.
Yeah, man.
Give
Yeah,
thanks to
ja.
Harlem. Give thanks to also I have to thank him as well too for myself.
Yeah.
So money you.
That's ya know.
Man, you open it for me, Harlem, big up yourself. We have to take out the Chelsea off time because you know so whatever clash. You know.
Alright, Jaja. Whoa.
Whoa,
My
Harlem,
God.
big up your seat there.
Oh, Kino name that back high too.
Whoa.
Jaja. And the
Team
Champions League
viewer,
won this.
you see that dream team viewer.
Champions League won this.
Yes, you know, see,
Champions League won this.
official.
Jaja know.
Kino
Whoa.
live in Jamaica. See the UEFA
Champions
Foundation.
League UEFA.
Well, official.
Come on, feel that.
Champion thing, man.
Whoa.
Blessed love, man. Harlem, man. Blessed love, man. Every time we give thanks, Harlem. Man, it's official, man. Harlem, we give thanks, much love. Thank you so much for this, Harlem. You know, representing Man U straight from years.
Thank you very much, Harlem, you know. Yeah, man, cause I remember look good on my Chelsea top, you know. Yeah, man. Oh, you know, enough respect, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Harlem.
Harlem.
Much love. Yeah, man. Much love. Harlem, much love. Good thanks, you know. Dream team, one team. Thank you for your
Respect for
support.
me here, friend, too, yeah. Enough love.
One thing.
Holy for love, holy for blessing. See, Dada, enough love, holy for blessing, my general.
Yeah.
Oh, chef, what's your wormie be?
Thing.
Dream.
Well, custom.
Custom deal.
Love it, man.
Oh, chef.
And it's the jersey, the name
They
of the
don't say
back.
official, you know, no
Official,
Kino.
man.
Official.
Harlem jersey.
Ah, oh, chef.
Well, official.
Well, oh, sit here.
The wow in the back.
Oh, chef. But you can't hold him now, you know.
Mad? And they hold him, them hold him now, we go let him
Come
go.
like you reach a New York and you don't reach there yet.
It's my one here. Yeah, my one. Harlem, yeah. From Harlem.
It's a man, you.
New York, of course. Could have been
How would
another
you
you.
say I know?
Kino life.
Kino life in Jamaica.
That's how it is. Isn't it?
Harlem, just big up yourself, man. The great things we are doing. You hear that, brother? Yeah. Love the shirt, them. Bad! Enough love, you know, Harlem. Big up on yourself again. All of the donors from all over the world. Big up on yourself again.
Official. Dark shades like Ray Charles.
Yeah.
Mr. Asa,
Hello, sir.
how is everything?
Everything is okay.
Everything is good. Long time no see.
How did you miss you?
But you sometimes seems like a long time. You know, we have to give thanks. They have a quick pass through, you know.
Straight.
And it goes, Ali!
Big up all of the donor them, you know.
You know.
Word for respect, you know. Goes out, is it?
Every time.
Pablo, the journey never stop, is it? In one team, we say a dream team, you know.
Pick up yourself, Pablo.
Yeah.
Big you up all the time.
Every time.
May God ever continue to bless you.
Yeah.
Never your store basket, never empty.
Straight.
Every time.
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Every time, man.
Yeah, man, Pablo second mother, you know. Yeah, so we should forget give the love what goes out to him, is it?
Yeah, every time. I know I'm there, you know, because someone on the outside looking in.
Yeah, someone on the outside looking in.
You know, from a place of love.
From a place of love.
You know,
Someone
send a donation towards the paint.
Yeah.
You know, you can get the paint towards the place. So this is a donation towards it. You know, we have $5,000 a year from someone on the outside looking in.
Yeah.
You know,
Someone on the outside looking in.
from the place.
More blessings, you know. And
God bless you, someone on the outside
looking in.
and looking in.
May your
Glad to
food
say
basket.
that you're outside looking in.
Yeah.
So everything will be okay. May
Real.
God ever continue to bless and keep you. Make his face to shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May God lift up the light of his countenance upon you all. Give you peace. In my name, in Jesus' name. Peace, I say peace.
Straight.
Straight.
Someone on the looking in.
Someone on the
1,
outside.
2, 3, 4, 5. Someone on the outside looking in. Yeah, I think I meet that lady already, you know. So
Yeah.
bless up yourself, you know, mommy. May your food basket never empty. So I say, you never buy the blue paint to show say she like. In a blue paint.
Blue.
Yeah, look to the
Green
blue.
team color, the Chelsea
Yeah.
color, which one?
Yeah, look to the blue.
Yes, it's a
One of
good
her
color.
favorite color.
Blue.
Yeah.
Oh,
As you
yeah.
can see in the background.
Yeah, did not blue.
Yeah, it did not blue, so we have a brighten up that blue, yeah.
Yeah. Man, you.
Some other, yeah.
We give
Thank
thanks
you
to
very much.
Yeah. Someone on the outside looking in with a praise from love.
Yeah,
praise from love. You see me I say, me on the food basket never empty can. We they are pray for you know, each and every day, you see? Love goes out, man, straight.
Straight, all the way. That's
Yes.
Yes,
until next time.
yes, Kino. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man, no problem. We'll see you again soon. It's never too long. Go and go right thing, you know. Right thing.
Ali, that's all.
Chip it off.
Hello.
So you know we have chip it off. I'm Sarah on the ball field, so you be footballer. Sarah train to play football. So it caught my mind because I don't know was saying this and I said I can find someone who can fit, you know, because you just buy it without knowing who can fit. So she run across my mind. And because this can fit her, right?
Yeah, man.
So make your mommy look on it first. You know. So
Yes,
you can
I
see.
like it very much.
You like it?
Yeah.
So from Harlem. You don't know what the day or the other day.
Yeah. Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate this for my nice daughter. Yeah. I appreciate this.
I know I'm gonna remember her face when she was at the football training done by JJ Book and Ball. I mean, I said she was the only girl there.
Yeah. So make sure you get that.
What's her name?
Natalia.
Natalia. So you can tell Harlem thanks.
Thank you, Harlem. I really appreciate it. And you would always be my friend.
Oh, that is sweet. So you can always play football, right? You're gonna see it done by JJ Book and Ball. Then the moment.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it also. And you're going to always be my friend too.
Okay, see there. Friend 1 and friend 2. Then give thanks.
No blessing that I will always keep in my prayers.
Alright, then that's good. Make sure you continue to play football, okay?
Okay.
Alright then.
Bye, Harlem.
Alright then, bye. So this is, so bro, we got something here to fit you. This is from Harlem. Harlem said I must give someone who I think it can fit, and I think it can fit you. And this is from Harlem, from New York City.
Harlem from New York City, thank you so much, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, then, so this is Benny's daughter. Alright, go on, Wormie, because she's shy. So this is Benny's daughter, so we give thanks, Harlem. Sam, how are you feeling now? Feeling much better? Look a bit better. So you sleep look a bit better?
Yeah, man.
So the prayers do work, yeah? So you remember to go to church, right? So I'm gonna say don't worry, right? While you can pray. So remember you promised I say you're going to church, so make sure you go to the church. Yeah? Yeah. Alright.
Take a long time.
No, but I think I'm gonna drive. I might bring you up there. I'm gonna drive you up there, so you will get a drive to go up there. Right?
Okay, come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive you back too. I'm gonna drive you back, man, son, man. You know everything goes on. Right? Alright, then.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.